It's really the coming together of science and technology, isn't it? Is behind every decision is a scientific model ultimately, and is a set of studies around the validity of the scoring algorithm that you are employing. There is also the normalization of those scores towards the target group that you're actually assessing. So there is a lot of science that goes into the application of the engine, and once the engine is there, it's also the validation of that through validation studies, and to make sure that the bias is removed.
So you're attending to that, you're cognizant of it, and you're dealing with that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Do we need, perhaps Belinda, we'll come to you, do we need a new culture in the way that we think about data, especially the changes that might come going forward, the ones you were just talking about, as we're moving more maturely towards away from predictive into scary, creepy zone? Yeah. Do we need to think about a new culture, new education for people dealing with that? What's your experience of existing organisations, the way they deal with that now, and how that might need to change?
So this is actually an interest in the topic of bias and bias in AI, and it's quite an interesting topic. And I was actually on a panel discussing AI ethics or data ethics a while back, and there are tons of examples. A lot of it I think boils down to three things, and I've seen that with some organizations, and I've actually had some clients worried about falling foul of the bias, so wanting solutions. But those three things, I think it's the first one is the fact that actually the data, what data are you collecting? Do you trust the data, the foundations? But the second is the people that are writing the algorithms that are acting on the data.